Hi students, good morning to all. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and fine at home. In this class, we are going to learn Chapter 2 Number System Part 2. Last class, I have given some homework. Many did not do it correctly. At least this time, follow the class correctly and do the homework and send me through WhatsApp. In this class, I taught many conversions and also given homework on each conversions. Please follow the class correctly. Now, shall we enter into the class? Students, last class we learnt how to convert a decimal to binary number system. I have given you some workout, but many did not do it correctly. Again, a recap of converting decimal to binary number system. For example, 35 decimal number to binary number. This method is called repeated division by 2. Now you take 35 divided by 2. So when you divide 35 by 2, you will get 17, remainder 1. So 17 divided by 2, you will get 8, remainder 1. Again divide by 2, you will get 4, remainder 0. 4 2s are 8. Again you divide by 2, you will get 2, remainder 0. Again you divide by 2 one time, remainder 0. Now you just write the given binary number in this direction. 1 0 0 0 1 1. The Euclid decimal for 35 binary number is 10011. Last class I have given you some homework. You please do it again, and if you have any doubt you convey through WhatsApp. Next, second one, how to convert binary number to decimal number. Example, we take the same 35. 35 binary is 1 0 0 0 1 1. Now we are going to convert binary to decimal. Converting binary to decimal. 1 0 0 0 1 1. Just to follow what I do and draw the line straight to each binary number. This is the easiest method of converting binary to decimal. 1 1 0 0 0 1. Multiply by 2 into 2 power 0 into 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. find the power and multiply by each binary number. 2 to the power of 0, 1. Anything to the power of 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 to the power of 1, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 to the power of 2. 2 into 2. 4. 4 into 0, 0. 2 to the power of 3. 9. 2 into, sorry. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 into 0, 0. 2 to the power of 4 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 0, 0. Into 5. 5 into 2. 2 into 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Now just add all these decimal numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5. 35. So the equivalent binary of this is decimal number is 35. Now let us see the homework. Last class you did how to convert a decimal to binary. This class also you convert a given decimal number to binary and again binary to decimal. Decimal to binary and again binary to decimal. So when you convert binary to decimal, you will get the same decimal number. So you confirm the answers with this conversions. Decimal to binary and again binary to decimal. You should get a 99, 305, 902, 2011, 3001. So do this homework correctly and send through WhatsApp. Next we are going to see how to convert a decimal to octal number system. How to convert decimal to octal number system. Converting decimal to octal number system. Example, we'll take 65. This is a decimal number system. Decimal number system, base value 10. Converting to octal number system, base value 8. The easiest method of converting decimal to octal is repeated division by 8. 65 divided by 8. 8 times remainder 1. 8 8s are 64. So remainder 1. Again divided by 8. 1 remainder 0. Now the same direction, that is, this is called MSB. This is called LSB. MSB means most significant bit, least significant bit. So you take the octal number 101. Now let us see another example to convert a given decimal number to octal number system. The numbers are identified by its radix value. So the given radix value of this one is 8. So 8 means octal. So converting decimal to octal number system. The same method again, repeated division by 8. 150 divided by 8. 118 times. Remainder 6. Again 8. 2 times. Remainder 2. 8 2s are 16. 18 minus 16, 2. So the equivalent of given decimal number 150 is, the octal is 226. So this is how to convert a given decimal number to octal number system. Students, you please note down the homework to convert decimal to octal number system. Example 251 decimal number. So you please do the following conversion and write the answers and send it through WhatsApp. Next we are going to see how to convert decimal to hexadecimal number system. Students, now let us see how to convert decimal to hexadecimal number system. For example, the base value of decimal number system is 10. The base value of hexadecimal number system is 16. I have already explained you in the first class. The decimal number is from 0 to 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 10 number. The hexadecimal number system is base value is 16. So the numbers are 0 to 15. It is written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So totally 16 numbers. In hexadecimal number system, the decimal number 10 is referred as in hexa A, B, C, D, E and F. Now let us see an example how to convert a decimal number to hexadecimal number. For example, we'll take a number 502, a decimal number. This has to be converted decimal number. This has to be converted to hexadecimal number system. This has to be converted to hexadecimal number system. The same method, repeated division by 16. 502 divided by 16. So 31. So 31 into 16. 31 into 16. You will get a remainder 6. Remainder 6. Again divided by 16. 1. Remainder 15. So it has to be written in this upward direction, that is 15 equivalent hexa is A. So it has to be written as 1A 6. 1A6. The equivalent hexadecimal number for 502 is 1A6. Now homework to convert decimal to hexa number system. First one 950, decimal number to hexadecimal number system. So you please do all these problems, that is in conversion of decimal to binary, and again binary to decimal, and decimal to octal, and also decimal to hexa. So in each conversion I have given you 5 sums to do as homework. Please do this and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, students.